I am Zina Coelho, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Sri Venkadramana Swami College, Bantwal, Dakshina Kannada, teaching the chapter Noble Gases of Unit 2 for BSc second semester, prescribed by the Mangalore University. In this chapter, we are going to study the different types of noble gas compounds, their preparation, properties, and structures. Noble gases have completely filled s and p orbitals, and hence they are chemically inert. Therefore, they are also called inert gases. They are present in the 18th group of periodic table. Now, let us discuss about the different types of noble gas compounds. There are 4 important types. They are xenon difluoride, molecular formula XeF2, xenon tetrafluoride, molecular formula XeF4, xenon hexafluoride, molecular formula XeF6, and xenon trioxide, molecular formula XeO3. Let us first study the preparation and structure of xenon difluoride. There are 2 methods of preparation. In the first method, xenon and fluorine is made to react in the presence of mercury lamp to form xenon difluoride. In the second method, a mixture of xenon and fluorine is heated in a nickel tube at 400 degrees Celsius in the ratio 1:3. The chemical equations for both the preparations is same, that is Xe plus F2 gives XeF2. The structure of xenon difluoride molecule. The electronic configuration of xenon in the ground state is 5s2, 5p6 and 5d0. In the excited state, it has the configuration 5s2, 5p5, 5d1 by the excitation of one of the 5p electrons to 5d orbital. In this molecule, xenon atom undergoes sp3d hybridization to form 5 sp3d hybridized orbitals. Out of the 5 sp3d hybridized orbitals, 3 contain lone pairs and 2 contain bond pair of electrons. The orbitals which contain unpaired electrons overlap axially with the 2 pz orbitals of 2 fluorine atoms, forming 2 sigma bonds. The 3 lone pairs are present equatorially. Due to the less repulsion of 3 lone pairs of electrons in equatorial position, the molecule acquires linear shape. Now, let us study the second compound, xenon tetrafluoride, molecular formula XeF4. Preparation. This is also prepared by the same method as that of xenon difluoride, but the ratio of xenon and fluorine is 1:5 and pressure of about 7 atmospheres, heated in a nickel tube for about 5 hours. Xenon plus 2F2 gives XeF4. Structure of xenon tetrafluoride molecule. The electronic configuration of xenon in the ground state is 5s2, 5p6 and 5d0. In the excited state, it has the configuration 5s2, 5p4 and 5d2 by the transfer of 2 electrons, that is 2 5p electrons to 5d orbitals. In this case, xenon atom undergoes sp3d-d2 hybridization to form 6 sp3d2 hybridized orbitals. Out of the 6, 2 contain lone pairs and the other 4 contain bond pairs. These 4 bond pair of electrons form 4 sigma bonds by the axial overlap of 2pz orbitals of 4 fluorine atoms. Due to the presence of 2 lone pairs, the shape of xenon tetrafluoride gets distorted and becomes square planar. The FXCF bond angle is 90 degree and XCF bond length is 1.95 angstrom. Now, the third compound, xenon hexafluoride, molecular formula XeF6. It is also prepared by heating a mixture of xenon and fluorine in a nickel tube to 200 to 300 degrees Celsius, but the ratio is 1:20 and the pressure is 50 atmospheres. Let us now study the structure of xenon hexafluoride molecule. In the ground state, the electronic configuration of xenon is 5s2, 5p6 and 5d0. In the excited state, it has the configuration 5s2, 5p3, 5d3. It undergoes sp3d3 hybridization to form 7 sp3d3 hybridized orbitals. Out of 7 orbitals, 6 contain unpaired electrons which form bond pair and 1 contains lone pair of electrons. The 6 singly occupied orbitals overlap axially with the 2pz orbitals of 6 fluorine atoms, forming 6 XeF sigma bonds. Thus, it has pentagonal bipyramidal shape having lone pair of electrons at its axial position. Now, let us see the preparation and structure of fourth compound, that is xenon trioxide. Molecular formula XeO3. It is prepared by the hydrolysis of xenon oxytetrafluoride. Chemical equation is XeOF4 plus 2H2O gives XeO3 plus 4HF. Structure. Xenon atom in the ground state has the electronic configuration 5s2, 5p6 and 5d0. In the excited state, it has the configuration 5s2, 5p3 and 5d3 by the transfer of 3 5p electrons to 5d orbitals. In this case, it undergoes sp3 hybridization to form 4 sp3 hybridized orbitals. Out of the 4 hybridized orbitals, 1 contains lone pair and the other 3 contain bond pairs, which overlap axially with the 2py orbitals of 3 oxygen atoms to form sigma bonds. Hence, there are 3 sigma bonds present in xenon trioxide molecule. The 3 unhybridized d orbitals overlap sideways with the 2pz orbitals of 3 oxygen atoms to form 3 pi bonds. The hybridized orbital containing lone pair of electrons forms the apex. Hence, the molecule has a pyramidal shape with the OXeO bond angle equal to 103 degree and xenon oxygen bond length equal to 1.76 angstrom. Now we will discuss about clathrates, their structure and uses. Clathrates are noble gas compounds which contain crystal lattices of certain organic or inorganic substances. Noble gases are trapped inside these crystal lattices to form cage-like structure. Hence, these are also called cage compounds. In between the guest and the host molecules, there are no specific chemical bonds, but there exists only weak intermolecular forces. Examples: quinol noble gas clathrates, that is, quinol argon, quinol xenon clathrates. Now let us see some of the important uses of clathrates. They are used in the separation of hydrocarbons, for storing noble gases, in the preparation of safe source of beta radiation like radioactive krypton 85 quinol clathrate. With this, we have come to the end of this chapter.